Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to export GIFs from public channels on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. Many people don't know this feature exists, but it's actually very simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look at the very top left corner of the window. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on that. From here, a menu will slide out giving you several options. You'll want to select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Advanced, and click it. This is where you'll find all of Telegram's export options. Now, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. This is the tool that allows you to download specific types of content, including media from public channels. Click on it to move forward. You'll be given a list of different things you can export. Since we only want GIFs from public channels, you'll need to make two key selections. First, check the box labeled Public Channels. This makes sure Telegram only looks at content from channels that are accessible to everyone. Next, scroll down through the list and find the option for GIFs. Go ahead and check that box as well. Once you've selected both options, scroll down and click on the button that says Export. The process will begin automatically. Depending on how much data is being gathered, this could take a little time, so it's best to let it run until it's finished. When the export is complete, you'll see a button that says Show My Data. Click on that, and a folder will open up containing the files. Inside, you'll find the GIFs neatly downloaded and ready for you to use. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily export GIFs from public Telegram channels directly to your PC. This new update makes it really convenient to save and access the media you want, all in one place. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow along for more simple tutorials that make your digital life easier.